You know that feeling when you're just drowning in jargon? So often, the hardest part of learning something new isn't the idea itself, but all the complicated language wrapped around it. Well, today, we're going to see the real power of simplicity by looking at just one single word, bridge. Let's break it down.
So what is it? I mean, for a lot of us, it's the grammar, right? Or those words that have like a dozen different meanings. That search for just clarity. It's something everyone goes through. But what if there was a tool designed to just slice right through all that confusion? Well, turns out there is. We're looking at the Simple English Wiktionary today. And its mission is, well, simple but really powerful. Make information easy to get for everyone, no matter what their English level is. And the whole thing is built on a really cool principle. And this philosophy is absolutely key. Simple English is not about dumbing down ideas. Not at all. It's about creating a direct path, a straight line to understanding. By using fewer words and simpler grammar, you get rid of all those frustrating roadblocks and you can build a really solid foundation for learning.
This number, this kind of says it all. 76. That's how many languages Wiktionary has at entry for the word bridge. It's just this powerful little reminder that the need to understand each other, to connect, that's a universal human thing. And honestly, that's exactly why this one word is the perfect case study for us.
So let's put this idea to the test. We're actually going to deconstruct the entry for bridge and see for ourselves just how powerful this simple approach really is. Okay, so understanding has to start with the absolute basics. How do you even say it? This entry doesn't just give you the phonetic spelling, it gives you audio for both UK and US accents. It seems like a small thing, but that's a huge detail for building confidence when you're learning. Now, this is where clarity is everything. As a noun, bridge could mean a massive structure over a river, or it could mean a card game. That's pretty different. The Wiktionary entry just cleanly separates them side by side, which stops any confusion right from the very beginning.
And to make it absolutely crystal clear, you get a perfect example sentence. The Golden Gate Bridge connects the two sides of California. By using a landmark that pretty much everyone in the world knows, the definition instantly becomes visual. You can picture it. So simple and so effective. Now check out how it handles the grammar. Instead of some dense paragraph that you have to read 5 times, you just get this super clean, simple table. Plain form, past tense, present participle, it's all laid out logically. This takes what can be a really tricky part of grammar and makes it incredibly easy to digest.
Okay, so we've covered the literal meaning of bridge, the nuts and bolts, but now let's zoom out a little and think about what this word really represents. You see, a bridge is so much more than just a structure of steel and concrete. At its very heart, it's a tool for connection. Its whole job is to overcome some kind of obstacle to link two separate points. And when you think about it, isn't that exactly what clear communication is all about? And that's the real aha moment here. The Simple English project is a bridge. It's what connects learners to big ideas that might have seemed totally out of reach before. It helps them get across that huge barrier of confusing language, linking all of us to a world of shared knowledge.
Taking this deep dive into just one word shows us a really powerful lesson. The best way to share knowledge isn't with big, complicated words, but with clear ones. And this isn't just about learning a language. This is fundamental to science, to education, you name it. It's about making sure that great ideas can actually travel. And that brings me to one final question for you.
I want you to think about your own passions. What's that one complex topic that you know inside and out? How could you simplify it? How could you build a bridge of understanding so you could share it with someone else? Because that simple act of building bridges, of making the complex clear, that's where true connection really happens.